My mission in life is to become one of the greatest e-commerce entrepreneurs. And through that, part of my mission is to share the absolute best e-commerce content online on YouTube here on my channel and inspire the most amount of people to actually get into e-commerce and to live the lives of their dreams, and also to help you transform your life just like I did mine. So in this video, you're going to learn everything you need to start a successful Amazon FBA business for free. I'm going to put in as much as I can squish into this video. I think it's going to be a long one, so I hope that you're ready to learn. I hope that you have a notebook next to you and you're ready to start taking some notes, because it's going to be detailed and it's going to be a lot to process. I'm going to be sharing with you my strategy that I've used to make millions online with e-commerce. And it is the absolute best strategy if you actually want to build a successful business, if you want to basically go from broke to rich, or you want to achieve financial freedom, you want to start living the freedom lifestyle, and you want to build a real business. And this strategy is called the e-commerce brand strategy. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. I'm super excited. And by the end of this video, you'll already have a clear path to success for yourself, and you'll know exactly what you need to do to actually start making money on Amazon and to start making a 6 to 7 figure income down the road as you put in more effort into your business. I already know that the information in this video and everything that I'm going to share with you here is going to transform millions of people's lives. Now, I want to remind you that this is not some kind of get-rich-quick scheme. And if you're looking for a way to make money instantly, right now, fast and quickly, honestly, you can just leave the video, since you won't find it here. The reason for that is because to achieve any kind of long-term success, any kind of real success, you need to focus on the long term. You can't just, expect to make money today, tomorrow, next week. I know that a lot of people are in a difficult situation and you want to make money quickly. But the truth is, the more amount of time you spend trying to make money fast, the longer it's going to take for you to actually achieve any kind of real success. Right? Let me tell you, this quote actually changed my life. In a society where standards are so low, where people just basically are lazy more or less, and on average, people just really have no discipline and they really can't focus, it really doesn't take that much more effort to succeed compared to everybody else. And it literally shows in my own journey, from the time that I found out about Amazon FBA to the time where I succeeded and I made $32K in 1 month. It took me 3 months. And yes, I even had failures during that time, but I learned from those failures. I learned from the obstacles that I faced, and I adapted to them and I succeeded. And the entire point of me sharing all this information with you here is so that you avoid all of these things, so that you can get to success in the fastest possible amount of time.